Well, here I am at Port Logan. It's taking us far too long to get ready. My mate Stephen's over there, anchored up. He'll be sick of his life waiting for me. But we're going to head off over there, see what we can get. I'm doing a bit of bait fishing at anchor today, and I never do that. So I'll probably do it all wrong. But I'm looking forward to it anyway. It'll be good fun. Pull in and redeploy. Whoop. Right, that's right. Not a lot happening over there on the bait. So I've come over here on the rough ground. Actually, the sea state's much better over here. And I'm going to drift with a Fiiish Black Minnow. See if I can pick up a Pollock. Get it. First fish of the day. Hey, get up. Brilliant. Starting to worry there. Oh, a lovely little wrasse. Look at that. It just shows Stephen. There we are. Lovely ballon wrasse. We'll just get that fella unhooked. And then we'll get him back in. So that's the blank beat, eh? Brilliant. See how we do over here. 12 metres of water. Fish showing on the sounder. You better get down there, mate. Oh, there is fish down there. Oh, have I missed them? Let's have a look. Get in. Hey, oh, that's nice. Well, better. I wonder what this is. Oh, this is all right. Hey, little Pollack. How are you, mate? Let's get you in. Get up. Better than out. I'll tell you what, it's not that bad, is it? Hey, look at that. A little beauty. Shove that back, we'll have another. Oh, I'm in again. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a better one, Stephen. Aye. Oh, can he? I can't. Get up. Right. I got the forceps out for this chap. There we go. Get him back. What a beautiful coloured fish. Get in. 2 on the bounce. It's good. See if we can make it 3, eh? On the Fiiish Black Minnow in pink. Favourite lure. Let's have another one. Straight in. Oh, missed it. Get in. Whoop, released itself. Get it. Oh, that's better. Oh, 100% a Pollock this one. Oh, it's taking line. Yes. Nice. That's the one. Hey. Get up. Let's get that hook out. Let's have a look at this beautiful fish. Look at the colours on that. Look at the colour of that thing. Wow. Beautiful. Catch you later, mate. It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much for me omelette. And thanks for your company. Good fishing, mate. Get in. Oh, it's still on. I thought I'd lost it for a second there, like too busy panicking. Oh, it's a wrasse. Get in. What a beaut that is. Look at that. That's a chunky one. Right. Let's get you unhooked and we'll get you straight back out. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. And we'll get you away, my friend. Nearly there. Top lips are a bit chunky sometimes on them. There we go. Look at the colours on that. Look how red it is. What an absolute beaut that is. Look at the markings in the tail. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to chuck you back. Whoop. And he's away. Get in. Get in. Oh, oh, it's having a run as well. Got weed on me line, which is a pain in the butt. But oh, that's not a bad fish at all. That is not a bad fish at all. Get in. Oh, hey, look at that Bobby Dazzler. Wow, he's gone for it there, hasn't he? I'm going to give myself a little bit more line. It's the biggest fish of the day, this one. I'll have to get the old forceps in there to get it out. Right, let's have a little look. See how we are. There we go. He's out. He's out. Brill. Let's have a look at that one. Hey? Not bad, eh? Can he fish? Right. Straight back in. Oh, get in. What's this? It's not big like. I think it's a mackerel. Gonna guess it's a mackerel. Oh, no, it's a little pollock. Smallest one of the day. Well, there he is. Let's get him away. Oh, nice and chilled. There you go. What a beautiful little fella. Off you go, pal. Oh, 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 that's the fish of the day, that, like, without a doubt. What has he got? Has it give up on us? What is it? Yes! Get in. What a beaut. I don't know if you can see that because of the sun behind us, but that is a lovely pollock. Oh, I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. So they seem to be feeding a little higher up in the water. Look at that beaut. I hope you can see it with the sun behind us, but straight away, none the worse for wear. Day 2 at Port Logan. After some more pollock. I had a canny day yesterday around the point, so I'm going to head straight over there again and try me luck, see what happens there. Right, time for the first drop. I've popped my drogue out. I'm not sure if I'll need it yet, but I'm going to start with it and then I'll bring it in if I'm not going anywhere. But for now, we'll go with the drogue. I just saw something massive on the sounder and I really hope it wasn't a seal. Oh, straight in. Oh, something had a little go. What I noticed yesterday was I needed to mix it up a little bit more. I started catching more consistently when I did that because I'm kind of programmed for cod coming from the northeast coast, so I literally tap the lure off the bottom, and I don't really fish it up in the water column at all. And yesterday when I started mixing it up and dropping it and retrieving 5, 6, 7, 8 turns really quickly, or casting and retrieving back, I started picking up a few more fish, a slightly better size as well. So obviously I'm going to make sure that I mix it up today as well. Oh, he's in. Get up. Oh, this feels all right, eh? Get on. Well, that's a canny start of the day, eh? Great fun on this light rod, I'm telling you. Absolutely spot on. Get in. Oh, hey, now that is not bad. I'll catch them all day, I'll tell you. Happily catch these all day. Look at that beauty, eh? Oh, hey, if you sit nice and still, mate, we'll get you out. I think this is a forceps job. They don't mess about like when they take it, I'll tell you that. Right, let's have a look. What have you done? See where you are. Where is that? So I see that's in that bit. So what I need to do is get this around. There we are, my root. Look at that little beaut, eh? We'll put that back. See you later. Excellent. What a good start, eh? I'm pleased with that. Right, so I'll be casting it back over there then. Fishing the same tactics. Brill. Mind they don't half wallop it. Oh, I just got a hit there and I missed it. Drop this back down again. Got that one. Hey, get in. Oh, brilliant. Oh man, fantastic fun this. Let's have a look at it. Here it comes. Yes. I'll catch these all day, I'll tell you. Wow, this is a nice stamp of fish. A nice stamp of fish, this. Look at that beauty, eh? Good couple of pound there, maybe. We'll unhook that one pretty straightforward. Well, look at that. Nice, eh? See you, mate. Get in. Took on the way up there, right near the top. That little dude decided it wanted to have a little go. Right, come here. Let's get you off. Yeah, that one. There you are, little fella. Literally a couple of feet underneath the yak, that. Right, let's keep doing that. Just got hit again. Bloody hell. That wasn't messing about, nearly took my arm off. Get in. Oh man. Howie. What we got? Some fish out there today, I'll tell you. Oh, he's gone and caught a codlin, hasn't he? He's caught a bloomin' codlin out here on the bloomin' in the Irish Sea. Eh? Look at that, man. Travelled 200 miles to catch what I'd normally catch at home. Right, let's get you off. Let's have a look, see where you are. Oh, I see that. Yeah. See how that's gone in. There we go. Out in a minute. There we are. Little codlin. And it's shit all over us. Get in. Oh, that's reasonable. Get up. Wow. Brilliant. Let's have a look at that. Oh, fish of the trip so far. Get in. Oh, what a bobby dazzler that is. Oh, that's my fingers. Just in the lip as well, so we can get that back out, no bother. Oh, wow. Look at that. How's it managed it? How have we done it? Where is the actual hook? Do you know what? This is actually caught on the clip. That was on the clip, not on the hook. Can you believe that? Whoa! Oh, I wanted to show you that one. Oh, but you know what was really weird? The hook's in there. It didn't touch the hook. It was actually caught on the clip. It had gone. The clip had gone through its lip and out the other side. Oh, he's in. Get in. Oh, I think this might be a... Oh, wow. I was going to say it felt a bit head-banging like a wrasse does, but I don't think it is. What is it? It's a nice... Lovely pollock, that one. Let's see if you can at least see this one. Let's get this in. Oh, what a beaut. Whoa, whoa. Steady. It's just I can't see where the hook is, so I don't want it in my finger. Get in. Oh, what a bobby dazzler that is. Right, let's get this hook out. Have a little look and see what's going on. See that? What I need to do is get on the side of it here. Is that it? No. Tricky one. But we'll get there. There we go. No damage. Brilliant. Right, see if we can actually... Oh no, you're not getting right in the face. Can you believe it? Right, there's a lovely pollock. Right, you got your revenge, mate. That's all right. Slapped in the face by a fish. Right, off you go. Get in. That was weird. I wasn't sure what was going on there. I've lost it. Ah. I'll have a... No. Got to be a mackerel then, hasn't it? Gonna have to be a mackerel. No, it's a pollock. What on earth was that thing doing? swimming towards us like a mackerel, so I was fairly convinced I'd lost it. Never mind. Just a little fella. But we'll get this one straight back. Look at that. Little beaut. Hey! Maybe they're daring each other to come up here and slap us. So, 14 metres of water. Can't buy a fish at the minute. See what I can come up with. Got a fish on. Get in. Brilliant. I don't think it's very big, like, but it's definitely a fish. What have I got? What has he got? A little Pollock. Get in. Just when I was giving up hope, eh? Whoop. See you, mate. Right, let's have another one. Let's have your big brother. Let's get the big one. Day 3 in Port Logan. And I'll tell you what, I'm feeling it today. I'm absolutely worn out. It's quite a strong wind coming from the east today, so I just tuck in around the cliffs, around the corner. Talking to the lads on the boat yesterday, some great fish came in. A couple of double figure pollock, that would be nice. And one guy had two up to £40, £50 and his personal best to £70. Well, I'm not fishing for two up today, but I wouldn't mind a double figure pollock, I'll tell you that. Anyway, the water's crystal clear. I'm going to get round this corner, find myself a little bit of shelter, get the old Fiiish Black Minnow out there, eh? So I just have to try and find the right balance between being close enough to the cliffs that the wind doesn't push us out, but being far enough away that the tide doesn't push us in. So I'm a bit, well, rocking a hard place at the moment, but I'll work it out, I will. Get in, got that one. Get in. Brilliant. I was getting plucked at all the way up there. Oh, hey, it's having a good pull now. What we got? Yes, Pollock number 1, and it's not a bad one. Oh, hey, brilliant. Look at that. Fantastic. Let's give myself a bit of line. There we go. Look at that Bobby Dazzler, eh? What a beaut. We'll put this back. I'm in. Get up. Oh, hey, that's not a bad one. Get in. Oh, this feels canny, this, like. Feels like a canny one, this one. Where is it? Don't go around my anchor. Me drift shoot. Oh, what a beaut. Get in. Another cracker. Whoa, this is a chunky monkey, this one, like. Chunky monkey, this one. Right, if you stay still, I'll just show you to the people and I'll put you back. Get in. Hey, what a lovely stamp of fish. Come on then, mate. Yes. Get in. Straight in. Oh, not bad, eh? Well, fancied the Illuminous, didn't you? Smallest of the day, but I'm not complaining about that. There we are. Lovely little pollock. Get in, got that one. At last. It's been a little while. It's not a biggie, but it's bigger than anything I've caught for a little bit. What we got? A wrasse. Get in. I do love a wrasse. Oh, nice and still, mate. Don't stick your spines in there. There we go. Got you. Oh, oh, oh. Well, I won't be showing you that one. He's in. Oh, get up. I think it's another wrasse. I think it is. No, it's a codlin. Another codlin. You believe that? Irish sea codlin, eh? If you just hold your horses, we'll get you out, mate. Let's back down, let's get the next one. Oh, got that one. Got that one. Get in. Oh, brilliant. Oh, I love it. That had a good first run, didn't it? Is it going to have another run, or did it? Oh, that's a nice fish. Get in. Oh, look at that. Oh, brilliant. Bit of line off just in the lip as well, so all good. And I can show it to you. And then we'll put it back in. Look at that, man. Another cracker. Away then, in your pop. Get up. Get in. I was just thinking I might stay on this drift a little bit longer than I had been, as the wind has dropped off, and I thought it might give us a chance of another fish if I what have I got? Sorry, I'll finish that in a minute. Pollock. Get in. I thought I would stay on this drift a little bit longer because the wind had dropped off a bit and I haven't really had a chance to explore this ground over here, so I thought I would just keep going, see what happened, and there was a fish there, so that's good. Got that one. I think it's a mackerel, is it? Do you know what, one day I will stop predicting these fish and yeah, because it's actually a pollock. Oh, didn't realise it was hooked, that's what was going on there. Not a bad one. Get in. This tide's insane. Get in. Oh, proper fish. Oh, this is a canny one. Get in. Get in. Oh. Yes. Look at that. What a beaut, eh? Get you on there. Let's get the hook out. We'll get you away, my friend. Where's the hook? And there. And we're out. You're not slapping us in the face this time, mate. Another nice one. Away it goes. Oh. Get in. I don't know what on earth happened there, like something happened and the bail arm managed to flip itself up for some reason, but I knew there was something going on. Probably pulled a few funny faces like. Oh! Oh yes! This is a first for me. Gurnard. Whoop, get in. Oh, get some spikes on it. They make a little noise, don't they? Look at that. What a beautiful thing. I mean, you probably can't hear it, but it's grunting at me. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put that back straight away. Off you go, mate. Get in. Yes. Oh, it's a beaut, this one. Bobby Dazzler, this. Oh, it's not that keen on coming up. Get in. Another cracker. Look at that. Oh, hey, what a beaut. Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you just chill out, we'll get you away, man. Dead easy. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful thing. Great. Get in. That one's going, I'll tell you that. Brilliant. What have we got? Oh, another slab of pollock. Get in. Hey. Oh, brilliant, man. Look at that. Could do this all day. I've been doing this all day. Look, man. Fantastic, eh? Brilliant. Right. I'm done. I've had a wonderful time. It's been absolutely gorgeous. Got myself a new species of gurnard, which is really nice. Had quite a few wrasse and loads of pollock. Nothing massive, but really good fighting size. 3, 4, 5 pound maybe the biggest. Well, you can decide, you'll see them. But I'm really glad I made the trip up. And I'm really glad I waited a little bit to get a weather window, because it was blowing a hoolie when I was supposed to come up. So all in all, I've had a great time. And I'll definitely be back to Port Logan, that's for sure.